What up, man? It's your boy Dbonds back with another reloading video, man. Hey, man, shout out to the Snipe Nose Game, man, that's still tuning in with the channel. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. This is one video that was like highly requested, so I was like, why not, man? And this is something that I haven't used in a while. So in this reloading video, we're gonna be talking about the Lee Reloading Anniversary Challenger Kit 2 press. This is my first time using it. This thing been sitting for like at least 2 years. Now, as y'all know, I've been using more of my hand press, which has done a phenomenal job. I mean, thousands. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's at least almost 20,000 rounds. No captivity. If y'all look at all the videos that I did way back, y'all would see all the videos, y'all would see all the ammunition that I shot, and I made it with this single hand press made by Lee. Yeah, shout out to Lee. Today, we got the stage press. These things are very affordable, and for beginners, I would say this is the best stage for reloaders, in my opinion, if you ask me. Why? Because it's very simple. It's nothing hard. Everything is just boom, bam, boom, bam. You know, you'll get it pretty fast once you keep doing it and keep doing it constantly. When you do get it, you'll perfect the craft. It didn't come with this hand press or anything like that, but it did come with the scale. It came with the primer holder and everything else. And this thing didn't take a long time to set up. It only took me like maybe 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. That's that. I haven't put all the screws in, and that's because I haven't finished setting it up fully, but it's good to where I needed to be to show y'all how I do this reloading thing. But it's pretty simple. It's nothing crazy. This part right here, y'all might have been able to see. Let me put it down for you a little bit. Let me see if I can do it. See if I can do it. This right here, this is what catches all your old primers. It catches all your old primers, so you want to be looking around, looking for your primers. And with this anniversary kit, they do have different types of varieties. Whatever you're trying to reload, you know, it might not be as much as this, it might be less. Like I said, it depends on how far you're trying to go with it. You know, they have single presses, they have a few things, whatever the case may be. But depending on you and your liking, how far you're trying to take it, that's you'll know what you're looking for. But yeah, we're gonna get into this video and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Now this box right here is for your primers. Safety primer feed. Includes large and small primer feeders, safe with all brands of primers, fits all lead presses with lever prime system, LPS, push button priming. It's the size change. Now they do have some goodies. They do have a large and a small one. So you got one that's for like the big calibers, and you got the small one for the small calibers. You come with your menu and everything else, yada yada. That good nature. Now these things isn't really hard to set up. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to show y'all how it looks. It looks pretty good. It comes with the prime feeder, and it also comes with the little hook, so it can hook onto it. Let me show you a prime example. For your primers, hold your primers down, on, lock it up. That's how you open it. The lock is for, you know, to keep the primers in. The on is for when you're ready to go. You just slide that primer is just gonna slide down there and just do its job. Yeah, you're gonna put that back like that. Gonna lock it up, and it goes like this. This little hook, it slides on. Slides on. It's like a little slide. It's pretty simple, and it does get some primer really good. So let me put this in the box. Let me show y'all the whole setup right here. As I was telling y'all, this piece right here, you got to hook up to this. Now it is two different ones if you're using one like this or a turret or something like that, but it's two different versions. This one is an easy, simple thing, and this thing right here, lots. You see how that goes like that? That's to feed that. When that thing go up like this, you see how that goes up? It goes up like that, and then you just easily slide that primer on there. That primer slide. You probably can see it right there. See how it's on like that? Put that on there. Boom, bam. You got your primer on there. Baby out. Open it up. So that primer won't fall out. It's on lock. And once I put it on, it's gonna be ready to go. Now that that's on there, I hit this on. See how that primer just dropped? Primer just dropped right in there. That's slick. I ain't gonna hold you. That's fly. That's better than using the single press. I ain't gonna hold you. That kind of sold me on that one. You know what I mean? Give me a clean, clean brass. Good old clean brass. I forgot to mention, you also got your primer holder. It goes in the hook in here. That little hook right there that y'all see. This is a small one. They got two. They got two of these. They got the small one. They got the big one. So in this case, we using the small one because we're doing small joints. That's sitting there perfect, just like that. Sitting there perfect. All right. Now let's see if that primer go on it. See, I got it all the way down. Let's see. Get that little clamp. Boom, bam. Let's raise that down a little bit. Put it on this side. Push up on this lever right here. So that primer could go inside. Let's see how this joint do. You see how that's going in? It's caving in. I want y'all to see. See how this baby look. They're good too. They're really nice. Let's do two more. We're gonna do at least two more. You gotta see it. There you go. Put that on. You see it's up in there? It's gonna drop down. Bam. Now it's dropped down. Got these two empty ones. Raise this up a little bit. Get that primer. Hit it. Bam. Primer on there. Yeah, let's see that. Bam. That's beautiful. That's nice. Let's do another one. That back up. That has to go all the way up, by the way. You got another one here. So I get that. Hit it down. It's gonna slide it off. It's a primer in there. Works pretty nice, man. Nice and flush. Nice and flush. Yes, sir. We're gonna go to the next step and I'm gonna show y'all what else you're gonna be doing. The hole's really nice though. The hole's really, really, really nice. Now that we got that done, we're about to get rid of this extra stuff. Well, not the extra stuff, but we're about to switch it over to the seating. I'm gonna use the measurement scale. Start by taking this off. And enter the bullet seating die. Of course, I ain't gonna be showing too much. You gotta get the measuring cup out, of course. They ain't brand new still. I know you're supposed to put it right here. I lined it up already. This little meter right here, it's too low. So we're gonna go right here. Put it over some more. See where we at. It's gonna wobble a little bit at first. But you're gonna get used to it though. I keep going to the left. Now that's too high. But is it too high? It's a little too high. A little too high. Let's see. Go. Just a little bit. See if that works. Alright, that works. Alright, now we're gonna do this powder. Alright, got the measurement right. Bingo. Take this joint out right here because we ain't putting no primer in there. So right now that's good. We ain't got nothing to worry about. So using the Hornady, just a regular Hornady, 115 grains, of course. Up slowly. Went down a little. It was cool. This is where I like to have my ammo anyway. It's a good little jump. Okay, they're good. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try two more. We're gonna try two more. Alright. Better do two more. And you do want to make sure your die is on there tight so we can get up in there. But we're gonna be using a Sierra and the 6 hour 124 grain, 125 grain. See. Raise that baby up a little bit. See, I like to get all the way up here. That's okay. But it can go down a little more. So I'm gonna adjust this right here to the right. Just a little bit. It went down some more. Now that look good right there. Now that look absolutely stunning. Look good. Let's try one more. This one right here is the 6 hour. The V crown. It looks cool. So we got the Sierra, which is the V crown. You already know what this is. And then we got the FMJ Hornady, 115 grain. So if you ask me, this thing does pretty well, man. I would highly recommend it. I love Lee. You know, shout out to Lee. Hopefully one day get a little endorsement on these things, man. These things did really, really good. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing really did its thing. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, man, that's the channel, man. Like I said, man, it's not hard to do this stuff at all. You do have to calibrate and all that other stuff, but I ain't gonna get into all that because y'all know when it comes down to this, you gotta break down a whole lot. But this anniversary kit, man, I ain't gonna lie, man, you can't go wrong with it. So for a beginner stage, yes, I highly recommend Lee. Because I definitely would. This is the best everything. I even got the dot sets, all dot sets. You feel me? Lee Empress. Best, man. Easy. Whole bunch of lead dots, man. Listen. We lead up over here. Listen, man. It's your boy Dbonds. Back with another video, you heard? Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel or maybe become a member of the channel. You feel me? But I'm gonna drop the other Valorant videos in the description. We're gonna be coming back with these Valorant videos. So, it's your boy Dbonds. I'm out.